Morning everyone, this is day 10 of our AutoCAD 30-day challenge. I can't believe we're on day 10 already. How fast it's gone. Like May's shooting through already. This drawing this week or today is slightly easier, so we've incorporated two parts on this drawing. So we have an upper channel component, which is this section, which is the front view, okay, and this section, which is the top view, and we have the bottom channel, which is the handle front view and the handle side view. Now, handle obviously the front and top because it's a cylinder, or it's on a obviously circular based profile. Top and front will be exactly the same. Upper channel, once again, because it's on that profile, we've only included two views. However, the upper channel you could pretty much stick to the third angle projection as per normal. So you can think about adding that element into your solution rather than just having the two views. So that's today's challenge. Have a look. I hope you have fun. Remember to name these ones correctly, so when we come into the assembly process, you know what's the difference between the upper channel and what's the difference between the base and the lower channel, which we did yesterday. So make sure you are naming your files, and they're easy to bring through when we start to look at this assembly process. So have fun, and remember to tune in 6 PM for the solution. Thanks guys.